Every masterpiece begins with raw power, and today, a remarkable industrial journey is about to begin. These massive logs arrive from the forest, ready to become something entirely new. Powerful mechanical claws grip the timber firmly, beginning the first stage of transformation. No longer simple trees, these giants now enter a process driven by precision and technology. The roaring debarking drum comes alive, stripping away the rough outer bark. Beneath the dark exterior lies a clean core, essential for producing bright white paper. Massive chippers reduce solid timber instantly, transforming logs into millions of wood chips. A golden stream of wood chips flows forward, revealing the scale of production. Precision screening systems remove imperfections, allowing only uniform chips to continue. The mechanical journey is complete, and chemistry now takes center stage. Inside the digester, heat and chemicals combine, breaking down the wood's natural structure. High-pressure steam penetrates deeply, accelerating the purification of every wood fiber. Under extreme conditions, the wood softens completely, releasing valuable cellulose fibers. Deep inside the reaction chamber, solid timber becomes a thick pulp mixture. Powerful pumps move the pulp continuously through a maze of industrial pipeline. The search for pure whiteness begins as impurities are washed away. High-pressure cleaning systems work relentlessly, leaving only pure cellulose behind. The transformation is dramatic as brown pulp turns brilliantly white. Suspended in water, delicate cellulose fibers float freely, ready for the next stage. This vast reservoir of pulp forms the bridge between chemistry and manufacturing. The paper-making process begins here, as liquid pulp spreads across a moving screen. At this stage, the mixture is mostly water, flowing like a river of white. Gravity and vibration work together, helping fibers bond into a continuous sheet. Powerful vacuum systems remove water rapidly, strengthening the fragile paper web. Billions of cellulose fibers connect together, creating the strength of future paper. The first paper sheet is born, delicate yet strong enough to continue. The paper accelerates through the machine at astonishing industrial speeds. Advanced tension systems maintain perfect stability, preventing tears and defects. Precision rollers guide the sheet flawlessly, keeping it centered at all times. The transformation from liquid to solid is complete, but drying still remains. Giant heated cylinders take over, removing the final traces of moisture. Through the drying section, the sheet continues forward, becoming stronger with every meter. Rising steam marks the final departure of the forest's natural moisture. Lasers and sensors monitor every millimeter, ensuring uniform quality across the entire roll. Digital systems analyze the data instantly, maintaining precise control throughout production. The results confirm success, with moisture, density, and brightness perfectly balanced. Now the endless sheet becomes one, as winding operations begin. A massive steel core spins rapidly, collecting the finished paper into a giant roll. Layer after layer wraps tightly, forming one of the industry's largest products. Each roll represents hours of production and millions of future A4 sheets. This is modern manufacturing at scale, where efficiency and precision work together. The journey now enters its final phase, converting rolls into familiar A4 sheets. Diamond-sharp blades slice through the paper, creating perfectly measured widths. High-speed cutters divide the moving web into thousands of identical sheets. From raw timber to perfect white paper, the extraordinary journey is finally complete. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Future Flow Factory, where modern industry comes to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory tour.